Hello viewers, my name is Chan Tech the Chan. Now in my previous video I did a Cisco Meraki version of the Intune where someone lost their phone. You press this button to retrieve it, the alarm noise. Now on this one, Microsoft introduced their own version, which is very recent as of this video, so it's quite new. And when I was on my workplace and I saw this feature, I think to myself, wow, this sounds good. And I'd like to test it. Now, I'm going to show you how it's done. We're going to play the lost device sound. Before I play it, make sure you have your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and batteries intact. That way, someone can actually retrieve the phone. Otherwise, I'll put about a minute. I'm going to stop at the fifth one actually, so we don't wait, spend a minute hearing that anyway. And that's the end of the test. Hope you enjoy it. And Chan Tech is out. Bye bye.